How to share Amazon Prime account membership with friends. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Amazon app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find a fin icons. Click on this fin icon. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now here you're going to find different sections. Under account settings, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of manage your Amazon family. You'll be directed to the members page. Now click on this option of new, add a member. Now select the option adult, teen or child. Then you will get the option of link to separate accounts or create a new profile in your account. Select the option of your choice. I'm gonna select link to separate accounts. Invite someone you live with to share the benefits. So go ahead and type in your name. Type in their email address. After you fill this, click on Continue. Share your wallet to verify you live together. Click on Agree and Continue. Family library. Choose what you would like to share with Lisa. You can always change it later. Apps and games, audiobooks, ebooks. After you select what you want to share, you can click on the option of Continue. Now I can send them invite link. Click on the option of Send Invite. They will have 14 days to accept your invitation. Once the person accepts the invitation, you will be notified. Well, this way you can easily share Amazon Prime account membership with friends. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.